A common question in the music room is, what part of music is this, or why do we get to play this game? And the kids will say, we get to play the game because we're good, which is true, but there's like learning something with it. Hot Potato is one of our favorite songs, and it teaches steady beat. So you can look and see that if the students are matching the beat, and this is by the Wiggles, Hot Potato.
Hot potato, hot potato, hot potato, hot potato, hot potato, hot potato.